的街上上好，欢迎来到我们的游览。我叫 Reni， 今天我讲单人，你们得到要。我很高兴来到这里，我一定会向您展示我们目的的所有最好最有趣的景点。在开始之前，我想向大家简单介绍一下澳拉海滩和香菇湖的旅游景点。Ora Beach is located in the Sawai Village area, which is now to be in central Maluku. Ora Maluku Beach is located on Regency Road, North Seram, Central Maluku. Ora Beach is known as a piece of heaven in the land of Maluku because it is a tourist destination that has beautiful view. This beach is known for its white sand and very clear water because from the sea surface you can see the various ecosystem directly. The entrance ticket price to Ora Beach is free, whereas if you rent a tourist boat starting from 1 million rupiah. The Ora Beach tourist attraction is open every day for 24 hours, but the best time to visit this tourist attraction is from 6 o'clock until 17 o'clock. Ora Beach has white sand which is very soft and beautiful to like that. Apart from that, the beach juts directly into the shallow sea, which contains hundreds of thousands of beautiful coral reefs and their inhabitants. But both the reef and the fish in it can be seen from the surface without having to dive or snorkel. However, it will be more optimal when we enjoy this beauty by snorkeling. Colorful corals and beautiful fish are ready to greet us and make us amazed by the beautiful natural gift that God has given to humans, especially Indonesians. Apart from snorkeling, divers are provided with diving equipment rentals and guides who will take us out to sea and enjoy the beauty of the deep ocean by diving. Apart from that, we can also enjoy several islands and other ocean attractions as part of a trip to explore Ora Beach. Local and foreign tourists usually make Ora Beach their escape from the stress of busy work or the busyness of big cities until they find peace and comfort in this place. Located in Sleman, North Seram, Ora Beach offers an astonishing underwater view with its crystal clear blue-greenish color. Moreover, it's on the water cortex with rock cliff view behind it offers a very unique holiday sensation. There are also several Instagrammable spots to take any picture. To get here, visitors can get on the first ship from Chulehu, Ambon, and continued by car from Amahai Port to Sleman. It takes approximately 2.5 hours. From Sleman, visitors then continue their trip by getting on a speedboat for 15 minutes to Ora Beach. Ora Ora Beach, a hidden tourist attraction on the north coast of the island Spooky. As an exotic and very remote tourist destination, Ora Beach perfect for ecotourism, and many call it paradise wildlife. Often just juxtaposed with the beauty of the beaches in the Maldives, Boracay Beach in the Philippines, or Bora Bora Beach in the Pacific Ocean. The advantages of Ora Beach are its clean white sand and clean sea weather, blue and clear, as well as rich coral reefs and marine biota. The exoticism of Ora Beach, which has not been touched by human hands, has great potential to be developed as a tourist attraction superior in Indonesia. For tourism activities, tourists can enjoy activities snorkeling and even diving. Tourists don't need to dive too deep, even at a depth of 2 until 3 meters. Beauty and beauty are various coral reefs and small fish can be enjoyed under the sea at Ora Beach. Snorkeling activities can also be carried out at locations adjacent to cliff, which is a rare and exciting thing. Apart from snorkeling, there are many other activities you can do at Ora Beach. Visit the Manusela National Park, which is located at behind Ora Beach Resort. Could be an interesting option. In the park, Manusela National has around 117 bird species, of which 14 of which are endemic species such as the parrot, the ruffed marsh parrot, purple king prince, and Molson cockatoos. Tourists can use motorized boat or fishing boat to enjoy the surrounding view. Manusela National Park. Tourists can also go around or island hopping to several small islands in Sawai Bay by using boat. There are Sawai Island, Raja Island, Bed Island, Seven Island, Pulau Central, and Sapalewa Island. To get around this island is necessary time only about 30 minutes. The location of Lake Sentani is in Jayapura Regency, Papua Province. This lake stretches between Jayapura City and Jayapura Regency. Lake Sentani is home to around 33 types of fish, some of which are endemic to Lake Sentani. Several fish are endemic to Lake Sentani, namely 1. The Sentani or hue rainbow fish, or Chilacerina sentaniensis. 2. The Sentani lake snakehead fish, or Oxyeleotris heterodon. 3. The red rainbow, or red hellfish, or Glossolepis incisus. And last, the saw shark, or Pristis microdon. To enjoy Lake Sentani, visitors will be charged a Lake Sentani ticket price of 10,000 rupiah. The distance from Lake Sentani from Jayapura City is around 50 kilometers. Tourism from outside Papua can look for plans to Jayapura. From the airport to Lake Sentani, you can reach by motorbike taxi or rent a motorbike or car. Arriving at Lake Sentani, visitors can tour the lake by boat with a rental price of approximately from 10,000 rupiah until 50,000 rupiah, depending on its boat owner. Lake Sentani is one of Papua's leading tourism destinations. This lake with stunning view surrounds 24 villages with various art and culture that are interesting for tourists. In fact, according to the opinion of some local residents, handicrafts such as bark painting and stone painting are among the best artistic products in all of Papua. Not only culture and art, Lake Sentani is also famous for its extraordinary natural resources. Biodiversity in the form of matua fruit trees, areca palm trees, and eucalyptus are typical plants that are often found around the lake. Apart from that, various types of land and water fauna, such as butterflies, tilapia, lohan fish, and tawas fish, are widely distributed around the waters of Lake Sentani. In fact, it is said the freshwater saucer, which is rumored to be extinct, was once a typical animal of Lake Sentani. This attractive tourism condition does not only stop at natural and cultural resources. These various advantages were taken to a further level by the regional government through the Lake Sentani Festival. This festival is held once a year, usually in mid until June. This festival, which is usually held in the Kalkote area on the shores of Lake Sentani, present various local cultures and art. Residents who generally work are fishermen, as this even as a means of promoting Sentani culture. They display dance, typical craft, and even various other cultural products uniquely and beautifully at this annual festival. Lake Sentani is in the Sentani area, the capital of Jayapura district. This lake can be reached in 50 minutes from Sentani airport and stretches widely along the journey to the city of Jayapura. Cool breezes and peaceful serenity will be felt when entering the Lake Sentani area. In fact, to be more integrated with the nature of Lake Sentani, tourists can go around and visit the island in Lake Sentani by renting the available motor boat. It seems that one day is not enough to enjoy the beauty of Lake Sentani, but there is no need to worry, because around the lake and the city of Sentani there are accommodations available at affordable prices if you feel it is necessary to stay overnight. Lake Sentani is a beautiful lake full of natural beauty and unique local cultural values. After enjoying it, we will be even more convinced of how beautiful and rich our beloved Indonesia is. 好嘞，我们的路程已经结束，希望大家都喜欢。我相信你们现在对这个令人惊叹的目的地的历史文化和魅力有了更好的欣赏。我要感谢大家参加这次旅行，希望大家一路平安。 如果您还有其他问题可以向请熟悉与我联系。再次感谢您做出宝贵的时间，希望很快能再次见到大家。祝你今天过得愉快。
Audio Jungle.